washing up there. Good old cold stove, people. I'm gonna fry 2 fish and do one fish challenge, guys. So, me and the one my there. Yeah, guys. So, one can look out for it. Yeah, guys. Fire blaze up, fire catch up, yeah, fire. So yeah, guys, you know, washing up the fish then, guys. Put a little vinegar, water. She said she want a big. Just don't leave big. You're not full, you know. Alright, careful. Wash them. If you look at fish them for the challenge, you know, I don't see them up already, people. Yeah, guys, my iron are hot. And a little bit of garlic and a pepper. If you look at so yeah, guys, I don't know. Me and them don't clean already, so me I go drop in the fish them, people. Come on, man. Burn up. Come on, man. Burn up. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna remove the first set of fried fish. Yeah, people. Remove them on here now and put it back. As I can see, people, I have my little onion, pepper, carrot, vinegar. So you know, I cut up little sauce. Yeah, if you eat with the fish, people. Yeah. See the guys, I finish cut it up. I don't have no pimento to put in the kind of thing. I can't beat up to pimento drop in this. So I'm going to carrot, the onion, and the pepper and the vinegar I go use because I don't have no pimento. Yeah, guys, I have a video. I don't nobody for video, so they have video and see what I can clip and what I can put in and what I can put in. Yeah, guys, so I'm trying to back. Get you no back. Yes, guys, this is the finishing touch, you know. Yeah. Look at fried fish, look at escabeche sauce. Yeah. Me use this. Stop. Yeah, guys. So you know, so we there back with another video. It's no challenge today, guys. It's just a little reasoning and some question. When me put up on something and send in no question. So me there I'm fry 2 fish for me and Pinky. So I'm all about food. Who don't know that already? Now I'm gonna know that again. Say I'm all about food. So yeah, guys. Just stop. Talk to people then.
Put one stone. Hi guys.
The big truck a boss, man.
The big truck is bossing, man.
Yeah. And breeze a blow piece of cloth. Yeah.
Let's hear this up. Ready? You can start eat?
Yeah, you can eat. Hey, you're gonna yam pepper too.
I never said no. Start answer question. Let me ask you a question.
You start answer some boy yourself.
What kind of question?
Hey, the same things that them ask me, I ask people. So people wanna ask me how old me be, guys. So guys, I am 28 years old. Yes, people.
I'm 46.
But
you know me age, I'm
something. I don't remember my age, but maybe I'm 28. One of them, I born September 1993. Yeah, guys.
You don't remember your age?
No, I don't remember my age, people.
Prepare up, man.
I'm trying to tell people my age, brother.
Tell them already.
Tell them again.
No, tell them nothing.
Tell them you're hungry, you can't answer a question.
I'm 13 years old.
You're not 13. If you're answering, that's foolishness. Most of you go to school with no age, so that's foolishness.
You know, they don't know.
What? Alright, I tell them, she not telling her age. Don't shake the camera on me, you got bad things.
Don't touch your child.
What motivates
Not touch
you?
him. Put it over. YouTube.
No, just what motivates you to
Food.
go on and on every day. Enough with the fucking... Sorry, you're clear. Move! You're clear of them. Tell people them are motivation. I tell people them about the food, because I never see her cook. I tell them about the food. What motivates you?
When you can never see me
To be the person you are.
YouTube. My fans them. I know. Love you know. All the time, every time. What else? Guys, let me say something. Mom Pepper. Guys, let me tell you something. And I always ask me say, what kind of advice would I give young YouTubers who want to be successful on YouTube? I consider myself successful as yet, because you know, I'm not rich, but I'm more rich yet. But
Yeah.
I'm great fun. But what I can advise you can give you is be on yourself. Don't try to be like nobody else. Be on yourself. Try to do something unique. If a prank could not go do, if everybody had do prank, I climb on tree. You know do one prank I do on yourself.
Yeah,
Example.
something different, guys. Hey. What up the foolish? Run them.
Man, you keep my puppy.
But, yeah, guys, I want to add something to that, guys. Just be yourself, guys. Don't hide your personality. Be who you are. Don't pretty up it. Just be yourself.
If me forget one boyfriend, you see, I bad know myself. If me forget one boyfriend, I have to feel my personality. I can't show him the mic side of me, I can't go and I can't go jump off at the house stop.
Mm-hmm.
What makes sense without him? Don't make any sense. Be on yourself, try to be unique. Even if you're not going to do something what everybody I do, try to do it to your best ability, add some form of twist to it. Enough people are the challenges, and see money challenge them, different. Everybody do prank, but what? Me do it different than you do it different. You know what I'm
Guys,
saying?
just don't try to hide who you are. I'm not hide me. I'm not pretty up and come and fake this, fake that. No, people. I just me this. Raw born me in my skin. And I can't hide it and I can't change. I just money
Change.
this.
Money
Yeah.
do. And this is just me.
Why did you start YouTube, Pinky?
Alright, you see before I start YouTube, I get depressed, but I still smile and, you know, depressed and all like that. And whenever that do it, people always say I forgot on YouTube. And now I finally do it because of Zelia. I always procrastinate and say, alright, I'm going to do it. And Zelia always say, girl, you can be big on YouTube. Because I have $1 million personality and you know, she talk to me and she encourage me to do my thing and stuff. I finally post a video and realize that it got enough views and subscribers as a girl. And plus, I find happiness in it. For a long while, I never feel so happy yet since I do YouTube. Because you know, my fans and my supporters, they make me feel good and you know. Yeah, so.
Yeah, guys. Me
That's
know.
right. Plus, I never really have nothing to do. So,
Guys, me always, I something when I lie down in my bed every day, I watch and scroll through it. Now my thoughts on my mind, I say, yo, I would have tried this, you know, because I have a nice...
well, I'm going to give a big thumbs up to Daniel and Big Sky, no, say.
Wait, I
Give me a look at
not reach
exposure.
yet, just get a time to answer let me talk.
Sorry.
I'm dead in, guys, and... One do it, you know. Free if you go to Daniel and knock Daniel.
Because we never did close them time.
So said, so don't know. I don't know me and Daniel get close, but we end up get close and he come call me and say, what am I do a video with him. Yeah, guys, remember my first video with the stolen prank money. Yeah, guys. And from me do it, he encourage me and I say, money, do it, man, because you're full of energy, you're full of vibe. And do your family do challenge and pranks off camera.
Mommy,
Read them. Pack on 5 year old.
and your family. Do challenge or prank after. Well, I'm just gonna ask you if you and your family do pranks and challenges off camera.
Guys, as me tell you, I'm your one. And the people, them man, always gonna work. Always gonna work. From 4:30
Sometimes you prank him, she tell him foolishness.
Not coming till night. Sometimes, 1 and 2 times when we see him, I'm really desperate and can't find Daniel and Pinky then. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why Monique and Mummy and Daniel and Betty, them don't know if I actually the prank them or not. Cause I always run through work.
Yeah, mad.
So yeah, we just get up and me just scream out for no reason at all.
I'm just a running down for no reason at all.
So them can never know if me a prank them or not.
Cause alright, this minute him a run down. After I'm done and tired, we all look for say I want prank and him a put up it. Not a prank. So sometimes we can't know, we cannot know what is going on. He's mad.
Me no mad. I'm telling you.
Me sick.
But see, me humor, me use me humor for hide pain. Me use me humor for hide my true personality. Me not afraid to talk.
Nah, we're saying I'm take a while.
So, yeah. I'm afraid to talk.
Guys, you know a piece of fish is nice, you know?
The fish nice, man. And the pepper nice. But come me love pepper now. I'm cool. So, not because me look so bad.
Guys, you never really send in a word per question, you know,
why did you start YouTube?
You answer that already?
Oh.
I have my parents alive, I answer that already. You don't see no more question when you answer. I see some question, you know. Well, me a post new video today.
Anytime when you see that prank, yeah. Yeah, more prank. Yeah.
Let's answer the question and answer, you know? What you gonna eat? What are vibes? Enjoy yourself.
Yes.
Life is short, guys.
Guys, we are cool kids all the time. Yeah.
Right, I know that? The queen on there. If you have to them to life is simple.
The fish that we eat for Daniel, you know they have to get none.
Master Excel gone from there. That's good.
And Britty can't them fish. Britty allergic to everything.
Guys, I feel good for the YouTube. Because I have to go one side and go whisper in somebody's ears and go tell them my business. And then I hear it on the road. But just put it on YouTube and the broadcast itself so the whole world know. Simple. I have nothing like that again. So what I'm going to do? I just start my business.
And then people are bring down.
I'm just start business, everybody just know my business go already. Yeah, guys.
So. Anyway, guys,
Don't shake it. This is my drink, yeah?
I'm just going to tell them to eat. Put me over here. I'm 85.
Guys, I think Pinky is 18 or 17. One of them. Guess what I choose number 18, 17, 19 or 20. One of them. One of them. I have to be one of them.
Guess me age.
Me can't, you not reach 21 yet, so I'm not guess.
I'm in reach 28.
So me say it's either 17, 18 or 19. One of them.
And my birthday I come up. My birthday in a couple of days.
So she about 19 then. And me
High five.
oh, can you know me not a idiot? You know me not a
Guys, my father's stuff.
Guys, just remember all the birthday gifts them she need, guys. Just do the right. Do the right.
So, do
the right. So guys, just remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell, guys. Remember to go over Daniel and Brit, Life with Pinky, the whole Excel. Yeah, guys.
And guys, remember next
time. What's your name? Cuts Official. Just remember to go over Cuts Official as well, people. The whole team. Yeah, the whole team Excel, guys.
Hold on, guys, next thing. Is there anybody that you guys don't see we will stop asking?
Yeah, come here, get
Obviously,
one
we
question
stop.
about it.
Obviously, we stop. And now, do the do. But anybody you not see we with? Talk about it. Anybody know we know say we are really this thing. We are really set up it. Anybody could have ever reached for we help each other, push each other. You know?
So
Motivate
guys, we just not answer. My push over something. Guys, we just not answer. So just stop asking about it, guys. Yeah. So everybody will know. If me reach in a position and I saw you go, me have to know when I book my toe. Either I find back my way or my toe not tap buck off. Me not got my toe left.
Yeah.
So guys,
Team Excel is the talk of the town now.
so yeah, guys.
But we are talk of the town. Everybody over our channels.
So guys, big up on yourself. I love you, know. If you never know, I love you, know. December, I wish I could find the whole of you and give all of a gift. Guys, I love you, love you, love you.
Me can't go no one 20 bam bam.
I just love you, know. So remember, feel like share and watch the big Ace. I'm out.
Let's stop it.